Throughout October, Career and Professional Development has hosted multiple events aiming to help Gonzaga students build their career through treks, info sessions, and career fairs as a part of our Career Month. Here are some of the career fairs that you might have attended this month. As Career Month is nearing its end, there are still many ways to continue making professional connections following attendance, and CPD provides some steps to make furthering your career after career fairs that much easier. The first step directly following your attendance is to compile the information that you have gathered after meeting potential employers and learning about jobs and various opportunities to ensure information is not forgotten. This information can include employers and their contact info, details from meaningful conversations, and opportunities you're interested in pursuing in the future. Following up with employers and connections you made during the fair is a great way to leave a lasting impression and build upon meaningful conversations that had taken place during the fairs. Career and Professional Development has compiled a list of tips and tricks to navigate that process in writing a well-thought-out thank you message. Check it out on our blog and through our most recent post on Fire Up Friday. Whether you learned about a job opening or made a great connection with a company you find an interest in, this is a great time to reach out and either apply to a position or seek information about any openings. In doing so, make sure to mention the career fair and any potential conversations you might have had with employers. Looking over the notes you took directly after this is also a great way to accomplish this. If there aren't any open jobs that you are aware of, don't be afraid to inquire on internships, volunteer opportunities, or other information regarding the company. Now that you have begun your job application process, you may have an interview to prepare for. Think about your strengths and experiences that make you a great candidate for the job, along with making sure to mention anything you learned or connection you had made during the fair. By demonstrating continued interest, you will stand out among competitors. Now that you have met with many employers, now is a fantastic opportunity to think about how your next career fair can be even more successful. Some questions you can ask yourself can include: what steps did I take to prepare? What were my strengths? What are areas of improvement? What did I enjoy? And what am I looking for in my next fair? By asking yourself these and similar questions, you'll be sure to continue to get the most out of each career fair you attend. Career Month is just one of the many opportunities Gonzaga CPD provides for students. For more information on upcoming events along with other career building opportunities, make sure to follow us on our social media platforms listed below.